Hi, we're going to show you now how to activate the glutes and hold them in their shortest position. This is a position we call inner range. In this inner range position, we know that we can change the length of the muscle to make it activate better, helping you resolve any of your problems. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to get Stephen into this position on all fours. Knees directly under his hips and hands directly under his shoulders. It's important that we set a neutral spine as we would be in standing. So what we're going to do is we're going to get Stephen to rise up and fall all the way down and then find his mid-range position. Now this is mid-range for you and it will be different for everybody we see. So don't worry too much as long as you feel you're in a middle position. Now what we're going to do from here, as Stephen's going to demonstrate, is we're going to lengthen the right leg, slide in the toe and pushing through the heel across the bed. The whole idea of this exercise is that we keep the spine still, but work from the glute. Now, if we go back to the start, Stephen, we commonly find that this is done poorly. So we thought we'd show you a few ways that it's done bad and then how to correct them, and a couple of progressions as well. So, as long as you're in the neutral position, we're quite happy, and we're going to ask Stephen to drive through, pushing through his heel and trying to elongate the leg but not the back. As he gets to this point here, we're going to ask him to hold it and try and lift his leg using the glute, but not change the back position. That's perfect. Keep in that position. We've got full glute max activation there, and we're going to ask him to hold it for 10 seconds. After he's held it, we're going to get him to lower, nice and controlled, and return back to the start. Now that's how we'd like it done, but sometimes we do see a lot of activation coming from the back. Commonly seen in the gym or when people have gone home and missed pints of their exercise. So we're going to just show what it shouldn't look like now. So as you lengthen the leg, it's pushing more through the toe, the back starts to drop, we get a lot of arching in this lumbar spine, and as he lifts up, there's less glute activation, it's all coming from the back. This isn't ideal. Back to the start. Now that's great, but if you can't quite manage the leg lift without changing your spine, we're quite happy as long as you activate the glute. So the whole idea is, as before, keeping this neutral spine, straighten this leg out, push through the heel, feel the activation in your glute, and we're going to hold the lengthened position, keeping that knee locked for 10 seconds. This is great, and if you can repeat this 10 times for 10 seconds, twice a day, you'll see a much better activation pattern in the glutes to help resolve your pains. Thanks for watching.